So earlier this morning, I was just looking at some pictures of old projects and I came across this toolbox made a couple of years ago. Simplest box ever, made with wood, nails, no special tools, and suddenly I felt like that's what I want to make next. August is sleeping. Come on, Darwin. Let's go down to the hardware store, check out some hinges, and see what else we can find. Sit. Thinking something along the lines of it's a pretty big heavy-duty hinge. So I got some hinges, and the guy told me that they've been there for 125 years, that hardware store. So that's pretty cool. Like when I think about what kind of wood is appropriate for this type of project, I think like pine or white oak, maybe cedar. Looks like some pine, possible use that. See, as I started thinking about the top, thinking about what kind of closure did I want, and then I thought, you know, a wedge would be cool, which led me to Japanese toolbox. And I've never done a Japanese style toolbox. And the concept is basically that you have a wedge to close the top. If I did that, I wouldn't need these hinges at all, would I? No, I wouldn't. I'm thinking maybe I want to make things a little bit bigger. And now I have pine in my head, so I think I should go to the store and pick up some more pine. One by 10. Hey baby. Beautiful day today. Trees are starting to bud. Okay, it's a brand new day here. I got all the wood cut up. So now I need to do some planing, some... So, brand new day. I got my box more or less finished. I need to create some feet. I need to sand. I want to stain. I need to plug. I need to shellac. I think that's about it. So ever since building this, I've been thinking about staining parts of it using this weathered grey stain, but I don't want everything stained. I want some parts natural, some parts stained, so just figuring out which parts to leave and which parts to do. So all stained. Now, I was wondering what I would think about this weathered grey look. I think it looks really cool. And I think it would look nice against the pine. Now, you may think to yourself, Linn, you overbuilt this completely. Why did you add so many screws? And that's because I think this would look really good with that many plugs. I don't think it needs this many screws, obviously, to put the box together, but I figured a lot of plugs could look kind of cool. Darwin, what do you think? What's your professional opinion? You like it? I cut 60. I think I need about 50, then a couple just went everywhere. So let's put these in. It looks really cool. Kind of practical with this too.
Yeah.
I think it really makes a difference. Because otherwise you're like really finicky here, and then you're trying to do like that, but now you can just go like that. So that's kind of cool.
I love the look.
Yeah, it's cool.
The little points of,
Hey Darwin. Okay, so yeah, well, let me know what you guys think about this project. This was really fun to build. I really love making things where you start at one place and then you actually end up somewhere completely different after you've kind of go through the process of designing it and thinking about it some more. Now, I'm not sure exactly what I'm gonna do with this box. Maybe this will become August's first toolbox. Of course, you can never have too many boxes, so yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this project. Again, let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe if this is your first time here, and I'll see you soon. Bye!